Looking for the best action camera? Whether it's for vlogging, travel, sports, or adventure, this video covers the top 5 action cameras. We'll break down their performance, standout features, pros and cons, and help you find which one fits your needs and budget best. Let's get started.
Number 1. GoPro Hero 13 Black. Let's kick things off with the GoPro Hero 13 Black. This camera delivers stunning 5.3K video at 60 FPS and captures sharp 27MP photos. Thanks to the CMOS sensor, every shot is crisp and full of detail. With HB series lens support, you get more focal options. And with HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization, your footage stays super smooth, even while running or biking. It also features voice control, lens mode switching, time warp, and more. Plus, it's fully waterproof, perfect for any adventure. What we love: excellent video quality, advanced stabilization, HB lens support, waterproof and durable design. Where it falls short: on the pricier side, low light photo quality can be a bit soft. Target: best for vloggers, travelers, and adventure seekers who want premium performance in a compact action cam. Love the Hero 13's premium features? Drop a comment. Could this be your next camera?
Number 2. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Next up, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. The biggest highlight? Stunning 8K video recording, powered by a Leica co-engineered 1 by 1.3-inch CMOS sensor. This setup, along with dual AI chips, enhances low-light footage like a pro, meaning you don't lose detail even in the dark. The 2.5-inch flip screen makes it super convenient for vloggers, while Insta360's built-in AI editing tools make post-production a breeze. You get full connectivity, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, all packed into a sleek and modern design. What do you think about the Ace Pro 2? Let us know below.
Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Now, let's take a look at the third product, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. This beast shoots 4K video at a stunning 120 FPS, perfect for capturing fast-paced sports action in buttery smooth detail. The large 1 by 1.3-inch sensor delivers rich colors and sharp visuals even in challenging conditions. And with dual OLED touchscreens on the front and back, framing your shots, whether you're behind or in front of the camera, is super easy. Smart subject tracking keeps your focus locked on moving targets, and HyperSmooth stabilization ensures your footage stays rock solid. With Bluetooth and Wi-Fi support, file sharing is quick and hassle-free. And yes, it supports microSD cards too. Whether you're a vlogger, biker, or adrenaline junkie, this one's built for you. Tried the Action 5 Pro? Share your experience in the comments.
Number 4. Olympus Tough TG7. Coming in at number 4, we have a product that's built to survive just about anything, the Olympus Tough TG7. This rugged camera is waterproof, shockproof, and freeze-proof, making it perfect for extreme environments. With a 4x optical zoom, bright f2.0 aperture, and up to 100mm focal length, it captures sharp images in any condition. You get both JPEG and RAW formats for flexibility, and its digital image stabilization keeps macro or motion shots steady. Plus, with evaluative metering, your exposure stays balanced and accurate. Pros: built tough for rough users. Great for macro and underwater shots. Decent optical zoom with sharp results. Cons: video quality isn't on par with action cameras. Limited features for pro-level shooting. Perfect choice for adventure, trekking, rain, or snow. This is a tough, no-nonsense camera built to survive in any challenging condition. Got opinions on this camera? We'd love to hear them. Comment below.
Number 5. GoPro Hero 10 Black. Finally, we have the GoPro Hero 10 Black. It shoots crisp 5.3K video at 60 FPS and captures sharp photos thanks to its advanced CMOS sensor. The front LCD display and rear touchscreen make framing yourself super easy, perfect for vloggers. With HyperSmooth 4.0 stabilization, your videos stay smooth and shake-free. The 16mm wide-angle lens offers expansive views, while wireless file transfer and microSD card support make sharing and storage simple. Best features:
Great performance for the price. Dual screens ideal for vloggers. Smooth, stabilized video with hypersmooth. Some drawbacks: slight noise in low light conditions. Battery life could be longer. Final thought: if you're budget conscious but still want the premium GoPro experience, the Hero 10 remains an excellent value for money choice. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome reviews.